What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
No.
No what? Uh-oh. Show the camera. Show the camera your hand. Why's your hand all wet? Show the camera. Go ahead, show it. What happened? Did you drip your milk? You want more milk? You want to go to bed? Yes, yes, yes. You want to go to bed? What's your name? Who's that? All done? All right, you did good. Good girl. Look at the camera. Let's talk. You giving yourself a kiss? Who is that? Is that Allie? You want to go to bed?
No.
You want to take your medicine? Who's that little girl? I have to give you your medicine before you go to bed. Well, it's okay. You don't want to take it?
No.
What do you want to do? Ah! You want to give yourself a kiss? What? All right, I'm going to say bye-bye to Allie. Say bye-bye, Allie.